Hi everybody, this is my third video where we look at strings. I start by creating strings. If we have to create strings, we have two options. We can do it directly by inserting string into quotation marks, or we can use method str, which creates new string object. If we want to create just one character, we put it into apostrophes. Now you can see my variables string 1 and string 2. The type of these variables is string. Now you can see the next section is named number to string. That is exactly what I will do. At first I create variable number of type integer. Then I use method str to change type of integer to string. If we want number retype back, we use method int, which we can saw in previous video about numbers. Retyping is very important when we use operations as addition on variable, because different type cause different effect. In the next section we look at operations with variables. I create two variables which contain words learn and Python. First operation I show you is addition. It uses operator plus. The operation merges two or more strings into one. I let print result of operation and show you at the end. Next operation is multiplication. It uses operator asterisk. We multiply string by number and it will copy as many times as the size of number. At the end I show you result. In the fourth section I will show you how strings can be compared. First comparison is equality. The comparison is true when the strings are the same. You must understand that the string is array of characters which is indexing from now. So if you compare string, you compare every one of string characters. The second comparison is inequality. It's true when the strings aren't the same. Third comparison is greater or equal. It's true when string on left side is greater or equal than string on right side. It means when computer compares two strings, compares each character on same position, and after finds two different characters, they find which one have higher number in ASCII table. Fourth comparison is greater. It's very similar to previous comparison, but difference is that if strings are equals, result of comparison is false. Fifth comparison is smaller or equal. The comparison is very similar, greater or equal. But difference is that now is a smaller string on left side and greater string on right side. The last comparison is smaller. It's similar to smaller or equal, but when are equal, result is false. That's all comparisons which we have. I say something more about it in lesson about conditions. In the last part, we look at the slicing string. We can use it when we want to take just part of the string. I will work with word hello world. Let's start with the simplest and print one character. I use brackets and put 4 into them, because 4 is the index of character which I want to print. Then I print part of the word from beginning. Now I put into brackets colon and number. When I put colon first, it means from index null. Now I get some characters from the middle of the string. I use number, color and number. First number is start index and second number is end index. Now I print sequence of characters from the end. I use in brackets number and then colon. When last character in brackets is colon, it means the last index. In the last example, I use negative number in brackets. When I use negative number after colon, it subtracts this number from final index, and number which will be created is final index of sequence characters. Now I run my program. At the top of output you can see created strings, below is retyped number, then you can see result of string addition and multiplication, then you can see results of string comparison, and at the bottom of output you can see results of slicing strings. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, subscribe my channel. If you have some question, write in the comments.